Fear is the deepest, truest compass, pointing directly at the boundary of your current self. It feels like paralysis, a necessary halt, but it is a demand for courage. The feeling that stops you is, paradoxically, the most reliable indicator of where your greatest potential for growth lies. The majority treat fear as a wall, a sign to retreat. The philosopher treats it as a volatile energy source, a clear instruction. This is where you must act. This transformation from weakness to guidance is the foundation of true self-mastery. The Stoics knew that fear is not a feeling to be suppressed, but one to be analyzed and internalized. Their practice of Premeditatio Malorum, the contemplation of evils, is the ultimate method to overcome fear. You realize that the fear of a thing is always more debilitating than the thing itself. This deliberate, cold-blooded confrontation is the beginning of mental fortitude. If this uncomfortable truth triggers an inner transformation within you, subscribe to this channel now. Join those who turn their demons into tools. Your fear is rarely about the present. It is the anxiety of a projected future loss, loss of comfort, loss of status, loss of security. But what can you truly lose that is not external and therefore irrelevant to your inner self? The philosophy of Stoicism teaches you to place a ruthless boundary around what is in your control. The fear of external events vanishes the moment you realize that your true self, your moral choice, cannot be touched by circumstance. The only thing you truly have to fear is the loss of your own courage. What is the cost of using fear as an anchor instead of a compass? You trade the possibility of profound victory for the guarantee of stagnant safety. You remain within the territory you already know, ensuring that your self-mastery is never tested, never forged into steel. The weak man is paralyzed by the shadow of the risk. The philosopher accepts the risk, knowing that even failure is a necessary, permanent gain in mental fortitude. Fear, unmastered, is simply the slow surrender of the self. To summarize, fear is not a negative emotion. It is the most honest indicator of your necessary next step. This is the path to self-mastery and unshakable mental fortitude. Do not run from the shadows. Move directly toward the anxiety. If this philosophical confrontation has shaken your foundation, share the video, like it, and subscribe to The Growth Philosopher. Comment below, what is the specific fear you will use as a compass today? Choose strength.